Hello guys, today I want to do another awesome badass car. So I'm just going to start off with my big pen and just sketch out some lines and then we'll see what happens. So I'm just doing some look like fog lights here. Maybe let's do a row of them. No preliminary pencil sketches, just having some fun, just see what we can create. Okay, we'll get a wheel in there. Maybe a small little bumper going across. I'll add a bit of shading just underneath here. Then let's do a cool blower, like a skinny number just up here. Then we'll do a large cooler and some hoses. Then we'll do a drive belt. This is going to be where the suspension will be. The thing about these vehicles, I want to try and make them realistic. Not in a sense in the actual drawing, but more in the sense of it to actually be real. So I've got the exhaust manifold here. This is where the supercharger will go. And this is my drivetrain. And I'll just darken up these areas just because this is where the less amount of light will be, like so. And we can do a nice sloped windscreen. And this is just going to be the side panels. And we'll cut it off around here. And the inside of here is going to be like the firewall, which protects the engine from the driver. I think that's what it does anyway. I'm still a noob to mechanics, but I have a gist of where things need to go, the main functioning components. And this will be the inside of the wheel. Make this a bit darker. The lower portion of the wheel is going to be a bit darker, so I'll just shade this in. And a bit of shading here. Smooth that line out. Okay. Now do the rear wheel. There. Okay, that's looking cool racer there. Sort of like a Hot Wheels car, I'm not sure, but it's just a fun drawing. Now I can bring this down. So the light's coming from the top here. So the inside of this window is where I've just darkened this edge. I want to do like a little bit of a reflective lines. Kind of just stopping on that edge. Some more shading. This is all going to be darker. And the lower part of this car is all going to be darker. Maybe add a little exhaust sticking out. I might just shade this whole wheel in. A little bit of shading on the spoiler that I've done, and underneath it. I'll extend this down a little bit. Just about playing with areas where you want it to be darker and lighter. Emphasis to the detail and stuff, because you don't want to ruin the shape of it. Just that balance. And then working to a satisfactory effect. So this will be darker. And on the inside of here, around the supercharger, and throttle cables. Now the other wheel will come around there. Okay, I like the look of that. It looks pretty awesome. Now the previous ones I did, orange and red. So this one, this little fellow is going to be yellow. Got my touch 5 markers here. And I don't want to do too much. Just start off with the edges first, then work our way across. And just keep applying little amounts here and there until I'm satisfied with the result. You can see how the white's slowly growing brighter in some areas. And the trick is to make everything consistent so the actual car can be recognised for in and of itself. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it there for the car. I think that's going to look awesome. Now, the previous ones I did some blue lines going across. So let's do it for this one. So first off, just going to slowly get a nice thick edge around here. And then from so, I can just flick pen going across and keep a constant pattern on the go. And it doesn't matter if you miss a little line, just go over it again. And if one area seems a bit too darker, just make the other places as dark as well. You want to have a consistent kind of pattern on the go. Maybe a touch just around. Okay, that looks cool. Now I'm going to do a background shape. Just a nice thick black background. Just leaving a white edge just around the vehicle, just to highlight it. Don't want to go too close or too far away. The reason I'm doing this particular shape, well, not the shape in and of itself, but more try to keep a pattern with the other vehicles. So this shape is kind of similar to this and this. Okay, and then to complement that with a touch of grey. Okay, that looks awesome. So it's a good tribute to the other drawings that I've done. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.